In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in Clash Royale. To scan a QR code, of course, you must first know where the QR code might be located in the app. So first is launch the app and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom corner of your screen, click on Battle. And from the Battle page, click on this three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Then next is click on Settings. Now if you've still not connected your Supercell ID, you should see a connect button in this area. All you have to do is click on that button and log in with your Supercell ID credentials. Now, once you're logged into your account, click on the connected button. Now from here, click on the gear icon in this corner. And here you can actually see your player ID that you can share with others so they can easily connect with you even without the use of QR code. But if you really want to find the QR code, you just go back to this page, then switch to friends, then click on add. And here you can see your own QR code that you can share with your friends for them to be able to connect with you. In the same page, you can also see the scan QR code setting. You can use this to scan others' QR code for you to be able to connect with them. Just click on this, grant access permissions for your camera. Now the only thing left to do is point your camera on your friend's QR code, and just by that, you will be connected to them. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!